Hello everyone. My friends at POPCHOSE reached out to me to ask if I could review and test out this handheld steamer and tell you about it and what I thought of it. So that's what we're going to do. Very, very nice setup. Lots of little tools and brushes to help augment the usefulness of this device, along with a measuring cup to help you measure the water to put into it in the exact amount. It's a nicely designed piece of equipment, fits smoothly in your hand, doesn't weigh too much, holds 400 milliliters of water, which is approximately 13 ounces, about a cup and a half. Some nice safety features too. It's set up so that there's a child safety switch when you first turn it on, and it also has an over temperature limit, so if it runs out of water, the heater will automatically shut off and not cause a fire hazard. The safety switch is operated by pushing down and forward a little bit, and it'll stay in that position for as long as you keep using the machine. You don't have to keep holding the button down. The water supply will provide about 16 minutes worth of steam at full cycle, and the steam starts coming out usually in about 15 to 20 seconds. This includes a handle for when you're using the extension hose, and there's the extension hose, along with a windows cleaning squeegee, an adapter for the extension hose to put your tools onto, 4 brushes, 2 round and 2 flat, a miniature spray diverter, and a power point spray nozzle that condenses the steam into one strong point. It's very simple to fill before you use. You're going to use distilled water, open a little pink rubber cap, and add 2 of the containers of water into the hole. Seal the cap back up, put your adapter nozzle into the body of the machine. There's a little button on the bottom that'll click into place as you put that in. And then we'll choose an adapter nozzle for it. They are twist-on. You'd hold it sideways 90 degrees, slide it into place, and then rotate it clockwise so it clicks into place on the retaining tabs. Click into place. And then to remove it, you just twist it back the other way, and it pops off. When you first plug it in, the little lock symbol lights up. You put your finger on that and wait 3 seconds before it actually turns on. So we're going to do that. We're going to fire it up. Once it turns on, we'll push down on the power button and push forward to lock it in place. And we'll see how long it takes, how many seconds, in order for the steam to come out. I'll push it all the way 3 times. Here we go. When we're counting, how long is it going to take for the steam to start coming out? I've got my handy window cleaner, glass cleaner, flat surface cleaner attachment here, which comes with a nice long cable to make it easier to maneuver and use. It's still heating. Here we go. It's starting to feel something. And here comes the steam. 27 seconds from cold start to full steam. That way you can, on a stationary window, you have more force to get on there and okay, look at that. Now that's how you do it. But I couldn't show you that. I wanted to show you how I got the dirt off. This window is already clean. And the trick to making it work well is to make sure you keep constant pressure between the rubber squeegee and the glass. If you don't, then you get skipping. And then turn the steam off and finish your squeegeeing like so. And you can take a paper towel and wipe off the little water spots that are left on here. But doesn't that look nice and clean? Here's another look at the same technique taken from inside the house looking outward. See how we try and hold the squeegee in the same relative position all the way down while the steam's going. And for a window and glass hard surfaces, usually you only need steam level number 1 or maybe steam level number 2. You don't need to go all out because then you'll have too much water rolling around on everything, making it harder to clean up. And when you get done doing the squeegee, you really need to take a paper towel and wipe the leftover water droplets off to prevent staining or spotting. It becomes in safety mode when you plug it in. You got to put your finger on the little lock symbol for 3 seconds until it unlocks, and then you can use the plus sign button on the right of that to pick if you want one of 3 different power levels for the steam. Our first test is some dirty grout on the kitchen floor. Look how much steam came out of there. We're going to scrub the grout line back and forth here, up and down, and there's what it turned out like. You know, it's not spotlessly white and clean, but it did a decent job for what it did, and it's generally a positive, I would say. Our second test is going to be on the kitchen countertop. This one is Formica. It's an older piece of material, but it's got a few little stains on it, some blotches from some cooking I did earlier in the day. So we're going to hit it with the steam and see what happens. We've got the machine set up and ready to go. You can push the plus button to go from 0, 1, 2, or 3 levels of steam. We have to engage the pink button on the handle in order for it to start making steam and choose which level of power we want. I use number 3 on the Grout. We're going to use number 2 here on the countertop and give it a shot. Look how much steam that pours out even on number 2. No matter how I had it set up, it never ran out of steam for me. It kept pushing plenty of steam out. The end result is pretty good. I'm very happy with it. It's super clean, smooth to the touch, and you have the satisfaction of knowing it's been sanitized without harsh chemicals. This would also be perfect for bathroom and toilet tiles, fixtures, sinks. Next up is fabric. You can see this dirt stain on the cuff of my work coat. Lots of grease and oil wore into it for over the years of working on mechanical stuff and working in the factory. So we're not going to pre-treat it or anything. We're going to just hit it with the steam on number 1 setting. Give it some brushing with the scrub brush. And look at the difference. There it is originally on the left, and there it is now on the right. So I heartily endorse this for cleaning of fabrics and countertops as well. And here it is one more time, the handheld steamer by POPCHOSE. Works for cleaning all kinds of cool things. The only thing I would say is you're not going to want to use it on the floor for floor tile grout like I was showing you in the first clip, because it's just way too hard on your back. It would take forever to do, decent sized room on the floor like that. But for bathroom walls, countertops, fixtures, fabric, this is absolutely a great tool.